Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the camera and composing with intent. Use the 3x3 grid so horizons and subjects align. Tap and hold to lock focus and exposure, then swipe to adjust brightness. This gives consistent results. Pick 1x or 0. 5 to preserve sharpness and avoid digital zoom artifacts, because clarity beats heavy cropping. Once the frame looks right, steady the phone using a wall or tripod. Make the first shot count rather than fixing it later. You now shape light and capture detail. Position your subject with the light to one side for modeling, or use a reflector/app screen for soft fill so shadows retain texture. Switch to RAW or Pro RAW when possible, because it preserves highlights and shadow detail for editing. If exposure is low, add up to 1 stop to protect detail. For portraits, enable portrait mode and fine-tune the depth slider after shooting, so the subject separates from background without unnatural blur. You finish by editing. Crop to tighten composition and straighten horizons, then set white balance so skin tones look natural. Increase contrast and clarity sparingly, pull highlights down to recover skies, and lift shadows to reveal detail. Apply sharpening last. Export at 80 to 90% or share the original RAW when further grading is needed. If colors look off, recalibrate white balance or reset edits. If noise appears, reduce ISO on the next shoot and use noise reduction selectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.